Get fast multi-symptom relief for nasal and sinus congestion, runny nose, sore throat, coughing, sneezing, chills and fever with Sambucol Cold Flu Relief tablets. The quick dissolve tablets use a unique homeopathic formula that includes natural elderberry and zinc. They taste great, have no known side effects, and are perfect for the whole family. Also relieves fever, chills and body aches associated with the flu. Sambucol, the original black elderberry extract, provides powerful immune system support to help you and your family stay healthy all year long. Indications: uses relieves cold and flu symptoms, provides relief from respiratory symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, nasal and sinus congestion, minor sore throat and headache. Also relieves fever, chills and body aches associated with the flu. How to use? For best results, use at the first sign of symptoms of a cold or flu, and continue to use for an additional 48 hours after symptoms subside. Adults and children 4 years of age and older, dissolve entire tablet in mouth. Do not chew. Do not swallow whole. Take one tablet at the outset of symptoms. Repeat every 3 hours until symptoms are gone. Children under 4 years of age, consult a doctor before use. Special instructions: severe or persistent sore throat or sore throat accompanied by high fever, headache, nausea and vomiting may be serious. Consult physician promptly. Do not use more than 2 days or administer to children under 3 years of age unless directed by a physician. Stop use and ask a doctor if symptoms worsen, any new symptoms appear, fever lasts for more than 3 days, respiratory symptoms persist for more than 7 days. Pregnancy, breastfeeding. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before using.